In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic fog in Photoshop, and this is a fantastic technique to know if you're looking to add some atmospheric depth to your images. We're going to break it down into straightforward steps, so whether you're a Photoshop novice or a seasoned pro, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's get started. First things first, open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Whether you're using the latest version or an older one, the process is quite similar, so don't worry too much if your interface looks a wee bit different. Once Photoshop is up and running, the next step is to add your chosen image. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping the file into the main workspace. Alternatively, you can go to the File menu at the top, click on Open, and then navigate to your image's location on your computer. Once your image is loaded, we're ready to create that misty fog effect. Now we need to select the brush tool. You'll find this in the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. It looks like, well, a brush. When you click on it, you'll see a range of options appear at the top of your workspace. For this task, we need to ensure that our brush is white. If the color isn't white by default, you can change it by clicking on the color picker at the bottom of the toolbar and selecting white. Having the right brush color is crucial because it will determine the look and feel of the fog effect we're aiming to create. Let's tweak our brush settings a little more. We want to set the opacity of our brush to around 16%. This is important because using a more opaque brush can make your fog look too dense and unrealistic. By setting it at 16%, we can build up the fog gradually, giving us more control over the final outcome. You can adjust the opacity at the top of the screen in the brush settings area. Now comes the fun part. It's time to start painting the fog onto your image. With your brush ready, gently paint over the areas where you'd like the fog to appear. Keep in mind that fog naturally sits lower to the ground or spreads across bodies of water, so consider where it would realistically settle in your image. The beauty of this technique is that you can layer the fog gradually, adding more where needed and stopping when it looks just right. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to create realistic fog in Photoshop. Experiment with different brushes and opacities to refine your effect further. This skill can truly transform your imagery, adding mood and ambiance that will captivate any viewer. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials.